Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, holds within its fertile embrace countless villages that exude a timeless charm. These villages, often overlooked, are where the true spirit of Punjab resides. One such village is Rasulpur, nestled in the heart of Mandi Bahauddin district. Rasulpur is a place where time seems to move a little slower, where the air is filled with the songs of birds and the scent of freshly tilled earth. This essay delves into the serene beauty of Rasulpur, exploring its natural wonders, its connection to history, and the gentle rhythm of life led by its people. The lifeblood of Rasulpur, and indeed of much of Punjab, is the majestic Jhelum River. This river, with its origins in the Himalayas, has been a witness to centuries of history, culture, and tradition. It has seen empires rise and fall, and has been a silent observer of the lives of countless generations. Flowing gracefully past the village, the Jhelum is a source of life, livelihood, and endless tranquility. The villagers depend on its waters for irrigation, fishing, and even for their daily chores. The river's presence is deeply intertwined with their daily lives, providing not just sustenance but also a sense of continuity and stability. Its waters, reflecting the azure sky, meander through the landscape, creating a picturesque spectacle. The river's gentle curves and bends are like nature's artwork, a masterpiece that changes with the seasons. In spring, the banks are adorned with blooming flowers, while in autumn, the golden hues of the leaves create a mesmerizing contrast against the blue waters. The banks of the Jhelum are a haven for peace seekers and nature enthusiasts. Families often gather here for picnics, enjoying the serene environment and the cool breeze that flows over the water. It's a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with nature. The gentle lapping of the water against the shore, the chirping of birds, and the rustling of leaves create a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. This natural orchestra is a reminder of the simple pleasures in life, the ones that often go unnoticed in our fast-paced world. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing one to truly appreciate the beauty around them. Fishermen cast their nets at dawn, their silhouettes mirrored in the still water, while children splash and play on the banks, their laughter echoing through the air. These scenes are a testament to the river's role in the community, providing both sustenance and joy. The river is a playground, a workplace, and a source of inspiration for all who live by its banks. The Jhelum is not just a river, it is the soul of Rasulpur, a constant reminder of the beauty and bounty of nature. It is a symbol of resilience and continuity, flowing through the ages, nurturing the land and its people. The river's timeless presence is a source of comfort and inspiration, a true lifeline of tranquility. Step beyond the banks of the Jhelum, and you are greeted by a sight that defines the very essence of Punjab, its vast agricultural landscape. The fields of Rasulpur are a testament to the hard work and dedication of its people. Wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane grow in abundance, their colors changing with the seasons, painting the landscape in vibrant hues. In the spring, the fields are a vibrant green, the air thick with the scent of blooming mustard flowers. Summer brings with it the golden glow of ripening wheat, swaying gently in the breeze. As autumn arrives, the landscape transforms once again, this time into a sea of white cotton, ready for harvest. The agricultural landscape of Rasulpur is not just a source of sustenance, it is a living, breathing work of art, a testament to the cyclical beauty of nature. The farmers, with their hands deeply entrenched in the soil, are the true artists of this landscape. They carefully manage the irrigation channels, ensuring that every drop of water nourishes the crops. Using both traditional tools and modern techniques, they strike a balance between heritage and innovation. The act of planting seeds is a ritual of hope and renewal, a promise of the bounty to come. As the sun rises each day, it casts a golden light over the fields, awakening the land to a new day of growth. The fields are not just a place of work, they are a playground for children and a gathering place for families. Seasonal festivals bring the community together, celebrating the harvest and the cycles of nature. As the day ends, the setting sun bathes the fields in a warm glow, a peaceful end to a day of hard work. Under the night sky, the fields rest, ready to awaken once more with the dawn. The agricultural landscape of Rasulpur is a living testament to the enduring relationship between the land and its people, a story of resilience, dedication, and the timeless beauty of nature. Just a short distance from the tranquil village of Rasulpur lies a majestic reminder of a bygone era, the Rohtas Fort. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, perched atop a plateau overlooking a gorge carved by a tributary of the Jhelum, stands as a silent sentinel bearing witness to centuries of history. The fort's massive walls, constructed from sandstone, blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. The climb to the fort is an adventure in itself, winding through dense forests and offering breathtaking views of the river valley below. The air here is thick with the scent of pine and the calls of unseen birds. Section 5. The rhythm of village life culture rooted in nature. The people of Rasulpur live in harmony with the natural world that surrounds them. This connection to nature is not just a part of their daily routine, but is deeply embedded in their cultural identity and traditions. Their lives are deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the seasons, the ebb and flow of the river, and the bounty of the land. Each season brings its own set of activities and rituals, from planting seeds in the spring to harvesting crops in the autumn. The river, a lifeline for the village, provides water for their fields and a place for communal gatherings. Their culture is one of warmth, hospitality, and a deep respect for nature. Villagers greet each other with genuine smiles and open arms, embodying the spirit of community. Traditional activities such as folk dances, music, and festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm, reflecting their rich cultural heritage. The evenings in Rasulpur are a special time. As the day winds down, the village transforms into a serene and picturesque landscape. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a magical glow over the fields, and the air is filled with the sounds of nature winding down for the night. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the fields, families gather in courtyards, sharing stories and laughter under the starlit sky. These moments of togetherness are cherished as they strengthen the bonds between family members and neighbors. The night sky, dotted with countless stars, serves as a beautiful backdrop for these communal gatherings. The aroma of freshly baked roti and spicy curries fills the air, creating a sensory experience that is uniquely Punjabi. The preparation of these meals is a communal effort, with everyone contributing in some way. The food is not just nourishment, it is a celebration of their culture and a testament to their way of life, deeply rooted in tradition and nature. Section 6. A climate of serenity. The seasons of Rasulpur. Rasulpur experiences a typical semi-arid climate with hot summers and mild winters. The monsoon season, from July to September, brings much-needed rain, replenishing the rivers and nourishing the land. Each season in Rasulpur brings its own unique beauty. Spring transforms the landscape into a riot of colours, with wildflowers blooming in abundance. Summer, though hot, is a time for celebration, with festivals like Baisakhi and Tej celebrated with great enthusiasm. Autumn brings the golden harvest season, and winter, a time for families to huddle together and share stories around bonfires. Section 7. Discovering the undiscovered, a call to exploration. Rasulpur, with its serene beauty and timeless charm, is a reminder that the greatest treasures are often hidden in plain sight. It is a call to step off the beaten path, to explore the unexplored, and to discover the hidden gems that lie scattered across the landscape. Punjab, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty, has much to offer the discerning traveler. It is a land waiting to be discovered, one village, one river, one field at a time. Section 8. Preserving paradise, a plea for our natural heritage. As we marvel at the beauty of places like Rasulpur, it is imperative that we also acknowledge our responsibility to protect and preserve them. The delicate balance of nature is under threat from pollution, deforestation, and climate change. It is our duty to ensure that future generations can also experience the joy of connecting with nature, of hearing the laughter of children echoing through the fields, and of witnessing the timeless beauty of a sunset over the Jhelum River. Let us pledge to be responsible stewards of our planet, preserving these pockets of paradise for generations to come.